Guys, Bitcoin is pumping beautifully, but this Bitcoin rally is not what it seems. And in fact, most people are going to be completely wrong about this Bitcoin move. So today, guys, I'm going to go through why Bitcoin is pumping right now. I am going to go through what to be on the lookout for next and what I think is the next move in the crypto market. So guys, I will also give you an update on my trades here open on OKX. So make sure to stick around, guys. This is an important video. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And guys, before we do anything at all, let's just look at the crypto market as a whole. And you are seeing tremendous gains across the board. And in fact, we have made a new yearly high for Bitcoin. Congratulations. This is absolutely massive. You can see three massive green candles here on the daily time frame, actually smashing through the orange box here, finding resistance above my orange line above this level. And if you remember when we set up this bot, guys, we actually set up this exact line as the upper range of the trading bot. So yeah, I'm gonna get through this soon, guys. But first, I just want to talk about this move. This is absolutely beautiful. And the next level of resistance, should we break through this level, is going to be another one at 26,400. And then the big one here approaching 30K. We are gonna have massive resistance approaching 30K here. So we're keeping that in mind. But let's talk about why we are seeing this move. Well, if you have been watching my channel, you remember my last trading video, which I posted 2 days ago. I was talking about how crypto was under attack, and crypto is still under attack by the SEC and US, and they are actually going to ramp up their scrutiny on crypto, it seems like. In fact, we just had news today that the SEC are ramping up their scrutiny. So why are we pumping if you are seeing, even if, if it is, as I say here, that the crypto attack by regulators is just at the beginning, why did we see a pump? Well, let's go into this actual video, and I want to show you a little small clip from that video in which I explained what I thought would happen. And pay attention to the price here, 21,700, right above my orange line here. So this is my theory about why I thought that the crypto markets were going to pump, because cashing out massive amounts of crypto for fiat it's very hard. Okay, so what would you do if you are worried about BUSD, USDT, and so on? Well, this is one theory I've been having since several years ago. What you would probably do is you would cash it out into crypto. So what you could see actually, so everyone are thinking that the crypto market is gonna have a free fall due to the regulatory issues with these stable coins. If someone wants to cash out massive amounts of, or if they want to get rid of massive amounts of stable coins, really the only way to do that is to buy Bitcoin or buy Ethereum. Basically, those are the two big ones because they have enough liquidity. If someone really wanted to get rid of massive amounts of stablecoin, that could shoot up the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So basically, my theory was that people cashing out BUSD because they were fearful about BUSD would propel the Bitcoin price to new highs. And in fact, even though we're seeing big gains across the board, the Bitcoin dominance has actually been strengthened. If you look at this massive green candle, you can see that Bitcoin is in fact outperforming the general market, which is also my thesis, that if you wanted to cash out BUSD, you would go into Bitcoin and Ethereum because those are the coins that are able to handle that kind of volume. So where do we go from here? I think that a large part of why Bitcoin is pumping right now is people cashing out stable coins. This has been my theory for multiple years already, that this would be happening if you saw stable coins be banned or whatever it may be. Basically fear regarding stablecoins, I think it would lead into a pump for crypto. So this might be what we're seeing right now, but how should we then handle that situation? Well, it could be the start of, just the ignition of a prolonged pump to the upside, because make no mistake, even in this video, I talked about how I was bullish towards the end here, that, okay, we might see some volatility, but remember this, the white line, I think that this teal box, inside of this box, I do think we're gonna have a big bull run. Okay, so this is what I think, and we are very close to it right now. So make no mistake, I am still bullish. But if this was indeed pumped by people transferring stable coins into Bitcoin, trying to get rid of their stable coins as soon as possible, then they may not be able to cash that. Even if they wanted to cash those Bitcoin out to fiat, it's a process, like it's gonna take time. So even if they wanted to do that, it's not gonna happen immediately. So I think that, yeah, there's a big chance that this can actually be a prolonged rally for Bitcoin. And we've been looking at many long-term charts as well. We've been looking at many long-term indicators signaling a trend shift from us being bearish going into some more bullish momentum. So all in all, things are still looking good for this particular pump and the rest of the bull run. For traditional markets are also looking decent. We are above this key orange line at 4,150. So we keep an eye on that as well. We found massive support off of this orange line down here. So this was, yeah, it was important that this was gonna hold, did hold, and now we are seeing some more upside. So that's good for the traditional markets. Let's talk a bit about the inflation data that came in, because we saw actually inflation come in higher than expected. This is also something I was talking about in my videos previously, that I thought that we could actually see the inflation come in higher than what the expectations were. We came in at 6.4. It was expected to come in at 6.2, so a little bit higher. The core inflation was expected to come in at 5.5. We came in at 5.6. So we came in a little bit higher than expected, but still the market shrugged that off, and we had a nice pump here for Bitcoin, as you all know. For my trades, the trading bot is still doing fine, up 10% in a couple of days here over on OKX. After my video where I talked about how we could potentially see this pump based on people trying to get out of BUSD and cashing that into Bitcoin. So I entered into this trade based on that thesis that we could see a pump based on people trying to get out of BUSD. So this is right now at 133% in profit. So that's absolutely fine as well. I will take profit on this one at the next level of resistance. I could actually do it right now, or I wait until 26,400. I just think that there is some momentum to this. This looks like it wants to go higher. So for now, I'm actually going to keep this open, guys. And if you want to join me on my next trade, make sure to sign up for OKX, up to $50,000 in bonuses. So make sure to use this link right here. If you prefer to use Bybit, you got $30,000 over here as well, 8,400 over on BitGet. So make sure to take advantage of these offers. But other than that, we do have some significant events today as well. You do have the PPI and you do have the jobless claim, the initial jobless claims. So that is going to be a big deal. But also you do have the Fed having speech today. So that is also going to be something to be on the lookout for. What kind of rhetoric are they going to use? So we're keeping an eye on that, guys. I will, of course, update you whenever we have more information. I will try to figure out what I think is the next move here. I will try to give you these signals early, as always. And guys, that's what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.